I'm
Be careful, you'll drop your pizza. And then that little bird will come get it.
What little bird?
That little bird that was out here. That little robin. He'll say, "Thank you, Parker, for the pizza."
What?
That's what he'll say.
Books don't talk.
Oh yeah, they do. They go trip, 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 trip.
I'm do. Oh, I dropped it on the paper by accident. I'm kind of full too.
Well, you can put it back in the pizza box. We can eat it later.
Okay. I want to go.